The front inner door handle on the Macan can be easily replaced. You just need to remove the front door panel first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the door panel removed, place it down on something clean and soft to protect it. Next, unhook the insulation from the back of the panel, red arrows. With the panel out of the way, use a T20 torque and remove the 5 screws holding the assembly in place, red arrows. One of the screws goes through a piece of webbing and will remain in the webbing while you are working. The assembly can now be lifted out from the panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure that you have the panel on something clean and soft so you do not scratch the new handle when installing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.